This is a forever tree, or it will be, when we've helped it along. Don't be afraid of the Warden. His only concern is the tree. As long as it's clear we are trying to help, he'll suffer our presence. Blast it! Those grubs have returned. The sap is like a candy to them, and they won't let anyone near it. The Alleolas only bloom for a few minutes at a time, and when they stop, the sap will dry. But you don't look like the sort to be scared off by a few bugs.
To kill rising! Rising! Adrenaline rising! Shake it off! To kill rising!
Perfect. This should be enough. Of course, having a little extra wouldn't hurt. In case of
Shake it off! Eat my dust!
Yes! Good, good. This should be enough. Soon you'll sprout up, up, up! Verdant branches reaching for the sky. I don't suppose you might be able to hang around while I complete this ritual? I've attracted attention, and not the good kind, I'm afraid. I'm worried someone may try to interfere, and it's critical I finish this before the concoction spoils.
There she is. She's doing some kind of magic on that tree.
What are you doing there, I wonder? Making a weapon for the speakers?
I don't even know who the speakers are. I'm just trying to care for this tree.
No other motive, huh? What's with the big guy, then?
He's not one of the speakers. He's bound to the tree. It's a forever tree.
A forever tree? I know about forever trees. This forest is better off without them. Throw out whatever she's got cooking in there.
Strong.
Shake it off! Move on! Don't make us hurt you.
Get them off me! I need to finish this ritual before the sap spoils, or all of this was for nothing.
Put him in the dirt.
Pull through.
Shake it off!
Iris? Alone? No. Tatio!
I suppose I'll have to do this myself!
Adrenaline rising!
Days.
Oh, great!
I give up. But mark my words, you'll be sorry you brought that tree back.
It's working. Flush with life. Blossoms unfurl. Oh. What happened? Did I? Did we? Oh, you saved me. Well, it didn't shoot into the sky, but it's blooming. The ritual did something, that's for certain.